Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Dogecoin. Today, Elon again tweeted about Dogecoin and it surged more than 40%. Right now, it is breaking out a down channel. And in today's video, we will analyze whether this breakout is really going to happen or is it another fake out. But before moving to the charts, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the chart. Before that, I would like to show you this tweet by Elon Musk again. And he tweeted that Tesla will make some merge viable with Doge and see how it goes. And after that, we have seen that Doge surged from 15.49 cents to 22 cents. That is more than 40% in a single day. And we can see that the price line was moving in this channel for the long time period. It was entered in this channel here on 28th of October. And even after several attempts, the price line was not able to break out this resistance of the channel. Right now, we are above the resistance of this channel. And the first confirmation we have received is that the 4-hourly candlestick is closed above the resistance of this channel. But once we will have the next candlesticks closing above the highest price of the previous candlestick, that will be the final confirmation on the 4-hourly time frame. And now if we take a look at the oscillator, whether is there any bearish divergence, then on the 4-hourly time frame there is no bearish divergence, and even on the daily time frame there is no any bearish divergence. We can see that the price line is forming higher than previous high. The RSI is also forming higher than previous high. Now I would like to show you another move that I shared a few days back for my members at the Patreon. And by the way, that is a harmonic move. And before that move, I shared this move in the month of June. And I also have been sharing this move with you as well when the price line of Doge completed this harmonic bullish reversal harmonic cipher pattern that I told you guys that from here we can expect a bullish reversal and this can be our sell zone. Now after playing the chart we can see that the price line reversed very well, hit the sell zone, move down, hit the sell zone and move down again. And now at the same time, while the price line is moving in the down channel, it completed the formation of another harmonic move. And this time, again on the weekly time frame, it completed another bullish harmonic bad move and entered the buying zone. Sorry, this is not a bad move. This is the bullish harmonic Garley move. And when I shared this idea, at that time, the price line was likely to complete the final leg because all legs were driven perfectly as defined as per the Garley move. Therefore, I told my members that from here, we can expect a move to the downside for the completion of this leg between 20 cents to 16 cents. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line moved to the downside, completed the final leg, and now it is likely to gear up from here. So we can also set our sell targets or follow these sell targets of the Fibonacci sequence of the bullish harmonic Garley that is from 25.85 cents to 31.94 cents, or we can also follow this channel. According to this channel, we can set our sell target approximately here at 32 cents. That is almost the starting of this down channel. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.